Welcome back to Engineering Design and Prototypes. Today we are going to create this part according to this drawing. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe this channel for more videos and projects. Go to SolidWorks, open a new part. Select from here front plane, sketch, take center line. Okay, now take line command. Let's define this one. Select smart dimension. This one is for 33. Here we have 45 divided by 2. Here we have 110 millimeters divided by 2. One hundred 55 divided by 2. 200 divided by 2. This one is for 160 divided by 2. This one is for 115 divided by 2. And this one is for 65 divided by 2. Okay, now go to features, select revolved boss base. Already selected line 1. this center line. You see, from here blind and 360 degrees. Say yes. Go to appearance, select metal, chromium plate. Let me choose plain white. Okay. I hope you like it. Please leave a comment with your feedback, and I hope to see you at my next video.